Everyone, RoDev here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about teams and team service. So say for example you wanted red team to spawn over there at the red team base and blue team to spawn over there at the blue team base. We can actually do that with teams. So let's get right into how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and find team service. Now if you don't see this, you want to go to model and then click on service and then insert team service. If you don't see team service in this whole list, you want to look for something called social service, and then you want to highlight that and then click insert. So I'm going to be doing it with voice chat service, for example, but you guys can do it with social service, or if you see teams, make sure you do it with teams. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to insert it, and as you can see, now it's there. So that's how you create the teams folder here in your Explorer. And now that we have that, we can actually click plus and create a team. But before that, what we do need to do is click workspace and then create a spawn location by clicking spawn under the model tab. So once you have a spawn location created, I'm just going to delete the default one and I'm going to put this one over here, and then I'm going to show you guys what you need to do. So say you only want a red team to spawn here. You want to go to the properties of spawn location. Remember, for that just go to view and enable your Explorer and properties, and then in here you want to scroll down all the way until you find team color. Now what you want to do for team color is set it to a specific color. Now you guys need to remember this color for later. You can write it down if you have trouble to remember it. And then what you want to do is uncheck neutral. This is really important. Make sure you have it unchecked. So once you have your team color set and neutral unchecked, we can actually go ahead and check this property as well. So if you want a player to be able to change their team by stepping on a different spawn location, you can do that. So I'm actually going to enable that for now. And then now, the next thing I'm going to be doing is just for the video, I'm going to make the respawn time 0. So we're going to be testing it out later. I'll be able to reset instantly. And other than that, guys, you can go ahead and create a second spawn location and set a different color for it. So I'm setting this one to electric blue. Inside team service, you want to create your first team and set the color to the exact same color as the first spawn location. And just to help your eyes, you can actually change the main colors under brick color. So I'm just going to be changing them to match the team colors, and there we go. So now under teams, I'm going to be making sure this is really red. The name doesn't really matter, but you can set it, so I'm going to be calling it red team, and then a second one called blue team. And then we can also set the color to electric blue, which is the same color as the team color over here. Make sure neutral is unchecked. Allow team change on touch. That's up to you. So now I'm going to be going to home and clicking play here. So I spawn in where my camera was. Alright guys, I'm in. Some of my accessories haven't loaded, clothing as well, but that's okay. The teams are in the top right, and when I step on here, my team switches to blue team. And now if I reset character real quick, I'm going to spawn in the blue team spawn point. That's because the team for the blue team spawn point was blue. Now I'm not respawning instantly again because of the internet, but I'm just going to quickly do a jump cut in the edit. And just like that, we have spawned in under the blue spawn pad. Now if I switch to the red team and reset my character, you guys will be able to see that I will spawn on the red spawn pad, and that's because I am now in the red team. Alright guys, as you can see, I spawned in on the red spawn pad now. Now if you guys don't want to be able to switch teams when you touch different spawn locations, remember to disable allow team change on touch. And now as you can see, I shouldn't be able to switch. Right now I am able to, and that's because we didn't do it from the server. So if you were to stop the game and then make the change, it will be good. As you can see, I've made the change and now I'm unable to switch teams. So yeah, ignore all the errors here. That's just because the internet is very spotty right now. Again, Rogers outage. But yeah, other than that, guys, if this video did help you and you're able to make teams in your game, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel just to let me know the video did help you. But other than that, guys, once again, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.